Here's how to record your business sale on Bumpa. Step 1. Create a Bumpa account. You can find the video on my YouTube channel. Step 2. Watch this video till the end and take action immediately. After creating your account, just find your way back to Home. Tap on Home. Tap on Create Order in the Quick Actions menu, and you'll find yourself here. This is where you'll be recording your business sale. So take note of the order date. If this date is not the date that you made the sale, right, you can edit it by tapping on it and choosing the accurate date, and then you can input your customer name here. And while it is optional, I always advise my client to input their customer name. You select your sales channels. If it's a physical sale, you click on this physical sale, and if the sale is maybe from TikTok or WhatsApp, you can as well tap on the social media handle where it is. So you have more options there, so tap on this drop down to see more options, right? If it's from Snapchat or Amazon, you click on them. So moving on, after choosing, you come to product. This products area, you have new products, you have select products. So this new product is for the product that you have not already uploaded on your website. So that means it's not already on the website, so you have to now create a new product that you are planning to sell to this customer, or that you have already sold and you are trying to record the sale. So but if you already uploaded a product, you just tap on select product. In this case, I already have the product uploaded, so what I will do is to tap the product. So let's say I want to shop for this Zara bag, and then I tap on the bag and the color that I want and tap on done. So the order has been added. The product is now here. This means I am recording this sale for the customer, on behalf of the customer. So if the customer were to shop directly on the website, this sale would have been automatically recorded, right? So you won't have had to go through this process. So the customer would have done it on your behalf. That's why I always encourage business owners to automate their business process, because it's less stress. You go on to check the payment status, if it's paid, unpaid, or partially paid. In my case, it's unpaid because this is a demo, so I'm not receiving any payment for this because I'm just walking you through this. And so I can just go ahead to record my sale. If you have an extra note, maybe from the customer, you can input it here in this note space. So I don't have that, and then I just click on record sale. And that's how you record your business sale. It's as simple as that. In the next video, I'll be showing you how to record your business expenses, because you have to record your sales and your expenses to be able to know your business profits, right? I'll see you in my next video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.